What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and today we have an extension. The name of this brand is called the MAEXUS extension. Okay, this is a drill extension, just in case you need to get to those rough areas and it's hard to get to. I was going to get a DeWalt extension, but I didn't feel like going to Lowe's to get a DeWalt extension or Home Depot, and I saw this one on Amazon, and right now as we speak this thing is like $7. So for a good Father's Day gift, this will be pretty cool, especially if your dad is into automotives. He like doing DIY on his car, and there are sometimes things that is hard to get to. So let's open this up. Let's get a feel of it. Now, these are about, got y'all with the measurements. This is approximately 11.5 inches. 11.5, then another 11.5, which will give you 23. So you should have 23 inches, ladies and gentlemen. You have 23 inches of play. Okay, so you have 23 inches. If you're looking to reach something real low, 23 inches of play. All right. Now, the bend on this is pretty cool. This is magnetic. This is not clip on, so this is easy on and off. So if you down somewhere in under the engine bay, make sure when you come back up, you watch out for these ridges right here, because if you come back up and you are on, like, let's say my finger is metal. If you're on the edge of the metal, if you try to come back up, it comes off. So this would have been nice if they had like one of those push pins where you could push it out, and then, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. All right, so you could do a S bend on it if you want. It doesn't break. Just comes off easy. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and put it on the drill. All right, so it's turning. Let me go ahead and put a bit on it and let's start testing it. And it is magnetic, just in case y'all want to ask. You hear this? You hear the snap? It's magnetic. Doesn't fall. And it spins. All right, let's play with our drywall a little bit. All right, let's go to the drywall. This has been my testing corner for the past couple videos. All right. Comes off easy, go in easy. All right, let's say I was in the angle. Let's say if I was in this angle, right angle, right? Tighten. I'm in the angle. Let's see that. Tighten back up. All right. So that's pretty good. Don't know if y'all want me to test anything out with this, but let's go ahead to this side and then we can kind of get a little hint of what's going on. I think this flexible extension would be good if you can, well, if they would have made this a little skinnier. You know, it's a little bit thick, but you know, it is what it is. All right, you guys. So you might ask, what else do I need this extension for? Well, I'm gonna show you. If you want to do any work on your cabinet down here, and I will put you in zoom. Let me put y'all in a zoom mode. All right, so if you want to work on your cabinet down here, your drill, let's take this off. your drill won't be able to fit, especially if you have your extension and your drill bit on here, the straight extension. So you get yourself one of these flex, go here like this, and then you can take your hardware off like that. Now I took it off and y'all can't see, right? All right, so we flex it and we come out. Simple as that. I'm going to put it back in and it's in. And that's it. Okay, you guys, so 2 things to look out for when you buy this product. Yes, it's cheap, but guess what? It gets the job done, especially with one of them. Now, with 2 of them connected, I'm just going to let you know things that they can improve on with this product. They could make this a way where you can lock it. Don't know what that was. Oh, that was the magnet. The magnet came off. Oh my goodness. Y'all are witnessing stuff breaking right in front of your eyes. So the magnet actually came off from the inside of it. So let me put the magnet back in. That is not good. Yep, it came off. And I can't even, okay, there it goes. All right, so there goes the magnet. It came off from the middle of there. You can actually see the housing for it on the inside. And here is the magnet. And like I said, it came off. And it's hard to get back on. So this may have to go back. Ah, come on. Guess that's what happens when I try to be too cheap, huh? Come on, come on, come on. Almost. Got it. Okay, you guys, I think this may be a lost cause for me. It's all right. Still under warranty. We still under warranty. As y'all just witnessed, maybe the next one will be good. Okay, now locked. No, it didn't lock. Okay, now it locked and it came back out. All right, you guys, so we have a little bit of a quality control. This was the main thing I was telling y'all about. One thing they can improve on. I'm gonna have to drop this 2 stars just for this one alone. Now we had 3 stars. The other thing, I'm not even going to knock a star off for this one, but the other thing they can improve on for this company is to make this a little skinnier, just so when you're down in a hole or something, when you try to come back up, you won't hit nothing to knock this back down easy. Or solve the problem by making a locking pin for this so it can lock. Other than that, that's it with this review. Something for a Father's Day gift. It's cheap, so the thought counts, right? Something for a Father's Day gift. Fortunately for me, I'm under the warranty on this. So I will just go ahead and exchange it. Maybe the next one will come out better, but this one, obviously, y'all witnessed this on camera that it broke. All right, you guys, so y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all seen the magnet came off on me, so I will have to return this and be on the lookout. I'm looking for a flex extension for myself, and I might be buying one as a gift. This one was going to be a gift, but obviously it has to go back. Other than that, any other questions, comments, concerns, drop it in the comment section below. Like the video so we can be in the algorithm, and that's it. hit that notification bell, subscribe to Always Occupied. Catch y'all in the next review.